Imagine a world where your knack for numbers and love for logic can launch a lucrative career. That world is here, and it's brimming with opportunities in the field of data analysis. Your ticket to this exciting realm? TechBodhi's comprehensive data analyst course. This course takes you on an educational journey through the most sought-after tools in the industry: SQL, Power BI, DAX. These are not just acronyms, but your keys to unlocking a world of data-driven decisions. Our curriculum is designed to immerse you in these tools, enabling you to apply your newly acquired skills in real-world scenarios right from the get-go. But a course is only as good as its teachers, right? That's why our instructors are not just educators, but industry veterans. They bring to the virtual classroom years of hands-on experience, sharing insights and knowledge that you won't find in any textbook. Every class is a masterclass, every session a step closer to your dream job. Yet we understand that life doesn't stop for learning. That's why we offer flexible learning options with weekend classes. 3 hours on Saturday and Sunday are all it takes to fuel your passion for data analysis without putting the rest of your life on hold. And of course, what's learning without growth? This course is more than just a certificate. It's a passport to career advancement. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, our course equips you with the confidence and competence to tackle real-world challenges head-on. So, why wait? The time to propel your career forward is now. Enroll in TechBodhi's Data Analyst course today and step into a brighter data-driven future. Remember, at TechBodhi, we turn your data dreams into reality. So why dream when you can do? Enroll now, and let's make data work for you. Reach out to us if you have any questions. We're always here to help you make the best decision for your career. Welcome to TechBodhi, where your journey to becoming a data analyst begins.